All right, so this is my homestead edition of cribs, the B section. We about to see how they living, you know. All right, so I'm about to do my first inspection of my hive that I got. Uh, thanks, JJ. Uh, and then yeah, so I read 2 books. I watched like 9 videos in total, you know, completely. So I know exactly nothing. Uh, but it's gonna be fun, and I'm hoping I don't get stung. I haven't got stung yet, but I got my tools. I'm gonna get my smoker ready. Uh, I got some charcoal in there, so to kind of stay longer, I guess. I don't know if that's okay. If I kill all my bees, I'm sorry, bees. But I'm, I just, I don't know. Let's see. I ain't see nothing about anything about it, so I mean, it's the same. I would assume it's the same. Oh, got my tools, and I'm just gonna do the stuff that I seen in the videos and what the book said. So I'm gonna get this smoker started, and I apparently, oh, I got it. I thought I left the lighter. Get this smoker started. Let's get this smoker started in here. Light, darn it. Got me, baby, baby, baby. I torture you. Take my hand to the flame. More pain. Got me begging, begging, begging. All right, now to put on my gloves while that gets going. JJ, ain't nothing around for you to be sitting there acting like you worried about something. He got his clucking. The clucking is happening. It's the clucking. All right, where's the face part of this? All right, there it goes. This way. Yeah. Hair on my face. Okay, so what I think I'm doing, and what I don't know what's going to happen, is I'm going to smoke the entrance for the defensive bees, uh, and then I'm gonna lift the lid a little bit and smoke under the lid, and that should calm them down. I wait a little bit. Oh, that's probably why JJ was calling that hawk. You ain't gonna get none of my chicky babies. Yeah, I'm right here. I know you see me. I'm bright. Yeah. Go on, float on that way. Where was that? Oh, I'm gonna smoke under the lid, and then I'm gonna take the lid off. And I have the queen excluder at the top of that. I didn't need that. I didn't know that, but I didn't know where to put it, and I was kind of panicking. So it's up top there. So let's get started. Oh wait, supposed to move slow and calm. I torture you. Got me begging, 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 baby. Come on, smoker. eyebrows off. I think my charcoal got wet from where I had it. Tried to select drier pieces, but let's see if I can. It was smoking fine just a minute ago. Let me go get the material they actually gave me for it. Take my hand in the rain. All right, I'm gonna try and get this going up a little bit before I close it off. There we go. All right, now. All right, that's that one. And they said go to the back. And then let that sit, let that smoke get in there. Actually pretty curious as to what they're gonna look like. I'm not gonna move the camera too much just because it's my first time doing it. I don't wanna mess nothing up. But I hope I can find the queen. So again, let's do one more little. All right, let's take her off and see what we got. That's the excluder. I don't need that. I can see my bees, and they all seem to be on the very bottom frame. So I think I need to move this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little smoke right there. And then I'm gonna move this box carefully. I don't want to hurt none of the bees. And my queen should be marked. And I guarantee you she's over there. So what I'm supposed to do is take one of these frames out. Carefully, so I don't hurt nothing. All right, that's good. It's got nothing on it. And then I move the frames carefully so I don't crush any bees that might be in there. I'm gonna give it one more little spray to. It's actually pretty cool. All right, so let's see. My queen is marked, so they already started building some comb. My queen is marked, so I'm just gonna slowly pull. Oh, all right, that is awesome. Holy cow. I can't see my queen, and I really don't want to put, they're like clinging together, so I don't want to move. Just hoping I could like see her at the top here somewhere, but I don't. But all in all, I think they're healthy. I don't see anything, and they don't have enough comb drawn out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back, and then I'm gonna take that top one out of the whole equation. I can see them doing comb on this side, so that's good. And it looks like it's all made out of pollen. They didn't really drink the sugar water, so and there's a lot of flowering trees, so I figured, hey, I'm actually, they say to put these back in order, but I'm actually going to go ahead and drop this one in right here now while it's easier for me. And I'm going to, oh, so they drew it out. think that'll do. So I'm gonna go ahead and just see if I can get a little bit more smoke out of here. And I'm just gonna take that whole top frame off and get out there. Go ahead and spray them so they smoke them so they get off the top so I don't crush them. And I'm just gonna leave them with that one. I put 2 on there because of the complications I had with put them in when it was raining. So you know what? I'm going to still go ahead. I know the queen can get out the other way, but I'm going to go ahead and put the excluder back on top. I don't know. I just feel safer that way. And now the lid. So I didn't need 2 boxes. And I'm going to go ahead and get this out of here before all the other ones don't know where to go. Well, that was my first inspection. Hope you liked it.